In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8S Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, you need to open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from Launcher Studio developer, Launcher iOS 16. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, hit Get Started at the bottom. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Now click on Continue again and tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Now select Allow in all the other ones and close an ad. Finally, you can adjust all of those options however you want to, or click on Set as Default right away and do it later. Lastly, apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it. And as you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my NUBIA. If you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into the same app, clicking on Set as Default at the top and choosing System Launcher instead of iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!